Hi everybody, my name is Adam. Today I have a topic for you that comes up very often in workshops and sort of in comments in tutorials. And that is, what is the difference between vibrance and saturation? And today we're going to be exploring just that. How to get the most out of vibrance and how to get the most out of saturation and what they do and how they're distinct from one another. Vibrance and saturation can be found in both develop and edit mode. In develop mode, they can be found underneath the general tune tab. In edit mode, they can be found either as a destructive filter within the color EQ, or as a non-destructive adjustment layer within Vibrance itself. I'm going to open up two separate images in this video, both of people and both with different skin tones. Saturation increases the color saturation of all pixels pretty much evenly. So when we apply a saturation adjustment to this image, you'll notice that all colors, including the skin tone, are increased in saturation. This may be beneficial in images with low saturation, but for images with standard saturation, this can come across as quite aggressive. Let's compare this with Vibrance. I'll reduce my saturation back to 0 and now increase Vibrance. Vibrance increases the saturation in our image, but it focuses more on the less saturated pixels and avoids saturating skin tones. Note that when I say skin tones, what I am referring to is the orange spectrum of color. To illustrate this, I will select my eyedropper tool and then select the skin on my subject. What we can do is we can open up the color picker, navigating to the custom panel, and we can see that this hue range is approximately 16, which settles it within the orange range of hue. Let's apply this to an image with a person of a lighter skin tone. I'll open up the Vibrance adjustment once again and apply full saturation. And now I will compare that to full Vibrance. Colors that are lower saturation and generally not in the orange spectrum are saturated, while the orange spectrum is only slightly raised. Using the eyedropper tool on my subject, we can verify that the hue range roughly matches the other image. In summary, use Vibrance when the desired result is higher saturation and you are working with images that contain people. Consider saturation when you are not working with people or when your image is significantly undersaturated. Please like this video, subscribe, and click the bell icon. Most importantly, please comment with suggestions of what you'd like me to cover in another video. Take care.